Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. So the day has started and we are off to the Mehrangarh Fort and the Jaswant Thada. After that, there are a few other locations that we would be visiting. So for the timing, to Mehrangarh Fort. This is Hotel Center Point, where we stayed in Jodhpur. The mighty Mehrangarh Fort can be seen in the far end. We have come to the parking lot of the Mehrangarh Fort and the parking fees here per vehicle is 50 rupees. Now we are going to the fort. The camel, also known as the ship of the desert, is passing by. A wonderful animal indeed. Again going to the parking lot, forgot my camera bag there. So that is one thing which I cannot miss when visiting this type of fort. This is the first gate to the Mehrangarh Fort. Mehrangarh Fort is one of the largest forts in India. Built in around 1459 by Rao Jodha, the fort is situated 410 feet above the city and is enclosed by imposing thick walls. The fort has musicians performing folk music at the entrance and houses museum, restaurants, exhibitions and craft bazaars. Whenever you come to the Mehrangarh Fort with your own vehicle, if you are coming from your hotel, most of the times your hotel owner will say that your vehicle will get stuck in the narrow lanes. But it is absolutely a lie. Don't believe them, because they will trap you for an auto which will cost you anything about around 750 to 800 rupees. But there won't be any problem if you come with your own vehicle. There are good roads and narrow roads, I agree, but not that much narrow that your vehicle will get stuck, and there is a parking facility as well. So come with your own vehicle and save money. There is also a lift facility in this fort, but they do not allow everyone to get inside that lift. They only allow senior citizens and persons who have problems in walking or health problems to come by that lift. But yes, of course, do not even think of coming to the top if you have any difficulty in walking, because the climb is very steep. So if you have problems in walking, avail that lift for 50 rupees per head. The ticket charges here in this fort is 100 for senior citizens, 150 rupees per head for adults, and they do not charge any fees for children. The museum in the Mehrangarh Fort is one of the most well-stocked museums in Rajasthan. It houses a collection of palanquins, howdahs, royal cradles, miniatures, musical instruments, costumes and furniture. Though the fortress was originally started in 1459 by Rao Jodha, founder of Jodhpur, most of the fort which stands today dates from the period of Maharaja Jaswant Singh. The fort is located at the center of the city, spreading over 5 kilometers on top of a high hill. Its walls, which are up to 36 meters high and 21 meters wide, protect some of the most beautiful and historic palaces in Rajasthan. This is the Palace of Mirrors. Within the fort are several brilliantly crafted and decorated palaces. These include Moti Mahal or the Pearl Palace, Phool Mahal or the Flower Palace, Sheesh Mahal or the Mirror Palace, Sile Khana and Daulat Khana. Inside its boundaries, there are several palaces known for their intricate carvings and expansive courtyards. A winding road leads to and from the city below. The imprints of the impact of cannonballs fired by attacking armies of Jaipur can still be seen on the second gate. At first, we thought we were being watched by CCTV. Then we read the message on the board and came to know that we were being watched by little swifts from the ceilings. The Turban Gallery in the Mehrangarh Museum seeks to preserve, document and display the many different types of turbans once prevalent in Rajasthan. We have completed our tour of the palace part of this fort, and now we are going to see a cannon. So it is on a higher level, so we just climbed up the slant, and now we are on this way to see the cannon. My two little globetrotters with their mother. So we have come to the top level of this fort, and there are many cannons here. So let me show you all of them. The Armory Gallery displays a rare collection of armor from every period in Jodhpur. On display are sword hilts in jade, silver, rhino horn, ivory, shields studded with rubies, emeralds and pearls, and guns with gold and silver work on the barrel. On going up or coming down the fort, you will find local people, local artists playing their instruments, several types of musical instruments. Please listen to them and please reward them with small donations. They are people from local villages who come here to play their musical instruments and display their talent. So please appreciate them. Thank you so much. This fort is a private property. It is not managed by the government, and the official residence of the Maharaja now is the Umaid Bhawan Palace, which is inside Jodhpur. So we are going to go there, but we are getting information that after COVID-19 the palace is closed for tourists. Let's see. We have reached the Jaswant Thada, and here it is the parking lot. It is just beside the Mehrangarh Fort, and parking fees for every vehicle is 30 rupees. Now from here we can see the Mehrangarh Fort. How majestic it looks from here. We have bought the tickets, and ticket charges are 30 rupees per head for Indian nationals. Below 5 years it's free. Wherever you go here, you hear music from local artists. It's lovely. It's so soothing to the ears. The Jaswant Thada is a cenotaph located in Jodhpur. It was built by Maharaja Sardar Singh of Jodhpur state in 1899 in memory of his father Maharaja Jaswant Singh II, and serves as the cremation ground for the royal Rajput family of Marwar. The cenotaph is built out of intricately carved sheets of marble. These sheets are extremely thin and polished so that they emit a warm glow when illuminated by the sun. We have completed viewing the Jaswant Thada. It is a small place, a beautiful architecture, so it won't take much time for you to visit and see the place. But if you are a photography lover, have plenty of time at hand, because you will get some amazing photographs from here of both the Mehrangarh Fort, the structure that is Jaswant Thada itself, and the boundary wall of the fort. View of Jodhpur city from Jaswant Thada. We have arrived at the Umaid Bhawan Palace, and we are stopped at the gate because after COVID-19, after the lockdown, the tourists are not allowed to go inside and see this palace. So here you can find the palace behind me. There it is, and unfortunately we are not being able to go inside. Anyways, the security guard allowed me to come to this spot where I can take a few photographs, unhindered view of the palace from here. We have now come to the Circuit House of Jodhpur. This has a special significance in every person's heart who is a Bengali like me, because of the fact that Satyajit Ray filmed his Sonar Kella movie, some parts of the film, here in this circuit house. So this is the same circuit house where Feluda and Topshe stayed. The same corridors shown in Sonar Kella. Nothing has changed here.
So this seems to be the place from where actually Feluda identified that the wrong Hajra had signed inside the circuit house. Mukul was staying on the rooms exact towards the end with Dr. Fake Hajra. Then there was Feluda and Topshe here nearby in these rooms, and maybe the next room was for the Globetrotter. So here is from where Feluda said, "Otake chhadben na daran." Auto was been stopped there, which was written by Jatayu at that point.
Yeah, so this is the spot where Santosh Datta or Lalmohan Babu did not leave the auto because they had to go and see Jodhpur in the same auto. Very nostalgic indeed. Very, very nostalgic. So one more location of Sonar Kella spotted and visited. How are you feeling?
Excellent, excellent, marvelous, unique feeling.
Very, very nostalgic.
This is where Satyajit Ray was standing.
And also Feluda and
Topse,
Jatayu,
Jatayu.
Topse, everybody, Mukul, everyone. If you like this video, then please click the like button. Also, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more travel videos in the future. And click the bell icon to receive prompt notifications whenever a new video is uploaded. Also share this video with others who likes to travel and explore new places.